Welcome. If you want to share your Telegram group link using Telegram Web on your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you're looking to grow your community or simply invite friends, sharing your group link is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Telegram Web. If you aren't already logged in, enter your phone number and the verification code to access your account. Once you're in, find the group where you're an admin. You can scroll through your chat list or use the search bar at the top to locate the group quickly. After opening your group chat, look at the top of the screen and click on the group's name. This will bring up the group's profile and settings page. Here, you'll see an edit icon, usually represented by a small pencil or similar symbol. Click on this icon to enter the editing mode for your group. Next, look for the section labeled Group Type. This is where you'll find the invite link for your group. If your group is public, the link will be visible right away. For private groups, you might need to generate an invite link, but the process is just as simple. Now, find the copy icon next to your group link. It typically looks like two overlapping rectangles or a clipboard. Click on this icon, and your group link will be copied to your clipboard instantly. With your group link copied, you're ready to share it wherever you want. Paste it into a message, an email, a social media post, or even on your website or blog. Anyone with the link can join your group, making it easier than ever to connect with new members. And that's it. Sharing your Telegram group link on Telegram Web for PC is now just a few clicks away. With these simple steps, you can invite more people to join your group and keep your community growing. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need a hand. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.